Hi, this is Mark Carrington from markcarrington.com. This is a quick review of a new internet marketing checklist product from Kevin Fahey. It's number 40 in his series, and it's on the topic of list engagement, how to engage your email list. I'm going to start with the JV page because that gives a long list of the topics that are covered in the 18 checklists. It's all about how to discover brand new, inventive email marketing tactics that allow you to elevate your email list engagement, and then you can increase your earnings. I'm just going to scroll down to the list. There are 18 in total. They cover a range of topics, from how to set your strategy or setting your strategy, how to choose your email service providers, technical things about segmenting your lists, setting up testing for call to actions and split testing your subject lines, linking back to strategy about being targeted in your email campaigns, creating a content map so that you can say for a week at a time you're mapping out and then completing what your emails are going to be rather than dreaming it up each day. The processes for actually creating content, and then get down into details about things like tracking and metrics and branding and design, and then lastly covering topics like avoiding spam filters for deliverability and doing surveys for re-engaging people. Now I'm going to go into one of the checklists to show you by example. Before I do that, I'm going to just go to the membership area. Now, I've been a member for some time, so I've bought this, I've received this as part of my membership. These are the 2021 releases that have been gone so far, and this is number 40, is on the topic of list engagement. I'm going to step across to that one particularly and to show you the form that it comes in. They come in essentially 5 forms. They're printable PDFs, they're editable documents, Word documents, so that you can make changes to yourself. There is a mind map which brings it all onto one page. There is an HTML interactive version which also brings it all onto one page, and there are 2 forms of spreadsheet so that you can actually track them in spreadsheet form if you choose. Now what I've done is I've just clicked on checklist number 1, selecting your email service provider. It's set up as so it's got an introduction, but it's set up to be a series of yes/no type questions. So have you defined your email marketing goals? Yes. And you might want to rephrase those a little bit. Are your email marketing goals appropriate to the business you're in? There are ways of tweaking that. Which features do you want incorporated in your email marketing? That's not a yes/no question, so you might want to play with the question to structure it a little bit more. What metrics do you want to track versus does your ESP provide the key metrics that you want to track, or tools to track the key metrics? Does your ESP support the type of emails you want to send, autoresponder versus broadcast versus RSS? And then it goes through into tools, metrics, delivery rates, integration support and security, and lastly budget. Is the ESP affordable? And in my case, it's become very expensive when a list gets very large. I would add a number 25.5 here, or 25A. Does the pricing have reasonable tiering as you increase the number of members in your list? Now, before I show you the checklist in action, because these are very powerful just to use for yourself, but they lend themselves to being turned into products that you can sell. I'm going to go through the private label rights that you receive. So the private label rights you can be offered as a bonus for a paid product. You can edit, add graphics, and rebrand any way you wish. You can use to create video training courses. You can add it to paid membership sites. You can translate it into other languages. You can claim full authorship. You can use it to build your email list, but individual sheets only. So you turn one checklist into a lead magnet to give away to your list, and it can be used as blog posts or infographics, individual sheets only. So each blog post could be can be built out of an individual sheet, but not out of multiple sheets. You cannot claim copyright. So even though you can claim ownership, you can't claim copyright. You can't sell the private label or the master resale rights, and you cannot use it to create an ebook to sell. So you'd have to bundle it into a video training course or a paid membership site if you wanted to sell this. And you cannot resell them as checklists on JV, Zoo, or Warrior Plus. It does not say anything about other platforms. It might be worth checking with Kevin Fahey before you try to sell these as checklists on ClickBank or Pay Kickstart, for example. But there's nothing to stop you selling them as checklists on your own platform. So those are the private label rights. Now, one of the ways that I plan to use it, or I do use the checklists, is I do give them away as bonuses, and I use a product called QuickList to make interactive checklists. Now, I've started the process, so I've logged into QuickList here. QuickList is spelled with a K, not with a Q, and I have started in a top-down way to convert this PDF document that I showed, this one over here. So you'll remember the topics were setting up your strategy, tools, metrics, delivery rates, integration, support and security, and budget. So I have started the process of putting the 6 topic areas down, and I have started the process of turning these into an interactive checklist. And I'm still working my way through that. Is that because step number 1, we need to set marketing goals. Maybe it's better to set them out as a question. Have you set appropriate marketing goals? Are you clear on the key features that you need for your email service? And then so to turn this into a checklist that's useful for someone else is I need to go and put down what are the key features, and maybe a laundry list of half a dozen things that are really important to put them in here to help your followers work through a checklist. Decide on the tracking metrics you will use, or have you got clear tracking metrics? So click rates, bounce rates, so I've started that. So we got click rates, bounce rates, open rates, and deliverability related metrics. Choose the type of emails you will send. Will be broadcast emails, autoresponder, follower sequence, or RSS emails. And then we go through the key tools needed, the metrics, and I progressively just work my way through here to convert this into a rich product that has guidelines underneath these details, underneath these headings on the detail that's needed to be right. So that's one of the ways to use the product. So I want to talk about the funnel. So the front end, I talked about the front end so far. So there are 18 step-by-step checklists in 5 formats with PLR rights. It's running on a dime sale. So launch was April the 1st. So the last time I looked, the price was $16.98, and it is going to go up as a dime sale on each sale, 1 cent each sale, and it will top out at a maximum of $37. The first upsell or one-time offer is a trial membership of the I Am Checklist Gold membership. What that does, so it's a $3 trial, then $17.95 a month, and what Kevin does is he gives you access to the 2021 checklists as part of this. So when you start your trial, you will get hold of the checklists that are available in 2021. So a quick reminder of what they are. So it's consulting, securing your content split, testing and optimization, list engagement. So these two together could be a really nice way to start and get really good value for your $3 trial if you just grab them, pull them down, and then deploy them within your trial period. The second upsell is access to all 36 of the IAM checklists, so the ones before 2021. So if I go back to this page here, so it's from 1 to 36. And they cover a wide range of topics: product creation, email marketing, social media, affiliate marketing, messenger marketing. I'll just read the ones here: offline business, startup, copywriting, PLR, kickstart, influencer marketing. So if you're ready to start deploying things in a rapid way, you can get incredible value out of this upsell. You can see here I've started at volume number 26 in my journey. So for 247, that's just incredible value if you are ready to deploy. And then the third upsell is that Kevin has released a series of premium PLR reports products in the subject areas of internet marketing. There are two pricing schemes in here, one at $147 for the professional version and $97 for the basic version. So at 7 into 97 is incredibly good value if you just grab the basic version. Let's just talk about what those are. So these are the premium PLR reports. I am a member, and the 7 that are included in here, I'm just going to pop here, is work from home jobs, affiliate marketing mastery, social growth hacking, email marketing power, video marketing domination, LinkedIn marketing authority, and YouTube marketing supremacy. The 3 below this, 8, 9, and 10, are in the area of health. So he's put the 7 internet marketing products in together as an upsell. Now I just clicked on here as to what's the difference between basic and pro. This is email marketing power, and I've picked this one deliberately. There's an ebook, checklist, cheat sheet, mind map, resource map. Then there is a sales page. So the basic version includes a sales page, built-in HTML, and an opt-in page, and it includes the graphics that you require to that go behind it so that you can change the graphics. It includes 10 articles, the promotion emails, and the license pack. The Pro upgrade includes those sales pages and opt-in pages and thank you page created in 3 of the leading page builders: Optimize, Press, Thrive Themes, and Convertri. So I use a Convertri user, so I use the Pro upgrades to create my websites in a hurry. So just a quick reminder on what those premium PLR reports, they're all to do with working from home, working in affiliate marketing, email marketing, video marketing, LinkedIn marketing, and YouTube marketing. So those are the 7 premium PLR reports, and the value is enormous compared to the basic price. So you can sell one of these basic products for $27 or $30, and so there's 7 of them. There's plenty of potential here to make a good income. Now let's talk about bonuses. The first thing is that I'm going to go across to Kevin's JV page. So on Kevin's JV page, he has included a bunch of bonuses. Kevin always provides good training as a bonus to the products that he sells. He has a Facebook mastermind group which you can join in. It's a reasonably active group, and you can ask questions on any things that you're having trouble with. You can share your success stories. He gives solid training on 101 ways to use PLR, so you'll know exactly how to grab your checklists and to turn them into products that you can sell. There is a 7-figure book bundle, so you can how to scale your business to help you scale your business. There's a bit of overlap here. We've got 101 ways to profit from PLR. So he's duplicated himself here. So there's a bit of duplication here. His bonus number 4 is he's put it down twice, but there's a bonus number 5 is a training program on how to launch internet marketing products. So how to launch your own product. So once you convert your checklist into a product, it will show you how to launch it as a product. So those are Kevin's bonuses. Let's talk about my bonuses. I have started putting together a bonus page. So this review video will go in here, and I'm just going to whiz down what I've done is I've compiled a set of bonuses which are all to help you with your email marketing. So email marketing success is built on decent copywriting. So I've put together a bundle of 4 reports from different copywriters from around the world to help you write the right sort of words. I like taking a strategic approach, so I have 2 reports that help you with the list building, so the strategy of list building, so coming from the top down. I have included one of those 7 PLR premium reports. Products is Email Marketing Power. I've included the guide, so the report itself and the checklist that's related to Email Marketing Power as a bonus. So I'm allowed to do that under my PLR rights from Kevin. And I have also included 4 killer email checklists from the list building checklists that I showed you earlier. A quick start for email marketing, so that's the one that comes top down. Improving email deliverability, improve overall email marketing, and list building methods. So those are delivered as PDFs. Now, to do any form of list building, you'll need some lead magnets. So I've got a free silver membership of Surefire Wealth, which is it's a library of lead magnets that you can then use to give away to build your lists. And then lastly, I have included a free silver membership of the eMarketers Club, which is a training program on helping you to do your email marketing. So if you're having difficulty filling in the detail of the checklist, this is the place to come and sit and watch these videos and then to work out how to fill in the details. So just a quick summary then: copywriting from the front line, list building strategy, email marketing power report, 4 killer email checklists to show you this stuff in action, Surefire Wealth silver membership to get your lead magnets, and eMarketers Club silver membership to give you a bit of a step back and a detailed walkthrough of the whole topic of email marketing, and it's all a value of $862. So there we are. In summary, is so $862 of value when you take up the offer to buy list engagement. When you take up the offer to buy the list engagement IM checklists from Kevin Fahey. I appreciate your time and your attention.